अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो दोस्तों, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है फेमिनिज़म की थेरी किस नॉवल में, बर्न शेडोज़ बाय कामिला शम्सी। ठीक है, इस पे अब फेमिनिज़म की थेरी हम अप्लाई करेंगे कि किस तरह जो है बर्न शेडोज़ इस नॉवल पे फेमिनिज़म की थेरी हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि फेमिनिज़म जो है, ये फेमिनिज़म आखिर होता क्या है। फेमिनिज़म ये है जो एक थेरी है, ठीक है। दिस इज़ अ थेरी और वी कैन से दैट इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ बिलीव्स दैट एम्स एट एस्टेब्लिशिंग women equality and women equality with men on political, social and economical and as well as moral and ethical growth, ठीक है। तो we can also say that it asserts to form and build equality among men and women in every platform and every talk of life. So it struggles to give justice to women who are living under the dominance of male and are considered as inferior sex. They must not be dealt in this way that male and female are naturally equal, so to consider them inferior is an injustice. To solve all these problems of women and provide them equality in every aspect and every walk of life, feministic concepts are established, ठीक है। Then feminism has divided into three categories. What are those? So what are those? These are the wave one. We can say that it is a wave one, wave two, and wave three. So the first wave was started in 1848 to 1920. Second wave was started from 1960 to 1980. Then the third wave 1990 from up till now. Okay. Then the novel Burnt Shadow. What is the summary of the novel Burnt Shadows? So the novel Burnt Shadow is a story about its major character Hiro Tanaka. Her character is very much original and real enough to believe in. Who is the main character of Burnt Shadows? Hiroko Tanaka. Okay. She is very optimistic character. She is very original character, ठीक है, and her character is flexible and who always believes in the keep on moving ahead. So this is because of her positivity and despite of her occurrence of huge tragic incidents like the dropping of atomic bomb, as you know, and facing the disaster caused by it digesting the worst damage gifted by it. So but all these circumstances cannot hurt her, but she gives her life another chance and that she moves to India and accepts Ajad's love and marries him. But her suffering seems unendable as she has to leave Delhi because of the chaos and anarchy caused by Pakistan-India partition. Later she loses her son Raza and moves to New York. So if we see and analyze the character of Elizabeth, another character, her character is also realistic, which symbolically represents all the women victim in the male dominated society. So what is the next character? Elizabeth. Okay. So we can say that she's also living in male dominated society. She is a common wife living under the complete dominance and working under the fingertips of her husband James Burton. Okay. Then she is very much sad and gloomy deep inside, but even though she fulfills all the duties and responsibilities of a wife very well, she never demands or complains for equality, rather always tries to present herself a happy, aristocratic modern wife. Burnt Shadows can be easily called as a feministic novel because it presents psychoanalysis of women's experiences. So the female characters of these novels are portrayed as bold and optimistic. They fall but they get up again, they fall but they again get up with same strength and same strong willpower and courage. We see at many places women characters encounters many hardships and sufferings, and sorry, but they face those situations with huge confidence and courage. The female characters of Burnt Shadows, these female characters and other also these female characters of this novel uh, uh, are self-reliant, optimistic, always positive, and they bear strong willpower which is always unbreakable and immortal, even at most difficult times. The novelist has presented a very positive character of woman in her writings by depicting women's psychology with depth. The novel is about a girl, Hiroko Tanaka. She is the main character, as I told you before, and she faces so many tragedies caused by some strong reasons. She loses everything which is dear to her, and the bitterness of such feelings always remains unforgettable till her last breath. But despite of that, she never gives up, always comes up with very affirmative behavior. Kamila Shamsi, which is the writer of the novel, has presented the image of woman very positive, clear, conclusive, confident, decisive, specific, and affirmative. In her writings, woman is always given an important role, special place, and Burnt Shadows are feminist texts which explores the feminine psyche of the woman character. Hiroko, who is the protagonist character, okay, she is the protagonist of the novel, and her very psyche is depicted very well by the novelist throughout the novel. The novelist Kamila Shamsi has portrayed her character as bold and very much progressive in society. We can see at many places women character encounters many hardships and sufferings, but they face those situations with huge confidence and courage. Female character of Burnt Shadows are self-reliant, optimistic, positive, and bear strong willpower. The novelist has presented the woman's psychology with depth. The novel talks about so many tragedies caused by the world wars and its worst effects on the minds of so many unlucky survivors who survived but nothing else left for them to live for. The novelist also has presented a very positive character of woman in this novel. So Kamila Shamsi's novel is indeed depiction of the world wars effect, and there are many characters in the novel which are presented as a victim. So as we have the character of Miss Tanaka, who keeps on changing her country in order to forget bitter past and have mental peace. So this we can say that the Burnt Shadow novel is a feminist novel as it depicts the psyche of the women characters Hiroko Tanaka, Elizabeth, and the other female characters. So if you find a question in your exams about feminism, first you will define the definition of gives you definition of the feminism, then you will give them the categories, and then you will start explaining the Burnt Shadows. Okay, thank you.